Well, the Border Gavaskar Trophy is just around the corner, and every day now we are getting different reports about different players, be it Shubman Gill, be it KL Rahul, be it Virat Kohli, or be it the captain himself, Rohit Sharma. Now, there's a latest report coming regarding Rohit Sharma, and that is that he will travel to Australia before the Adelaide Test. He will join the Indian team in Adelaide. The second Test will be played in Adelaide स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 6 दिसंबर. उससे पहले रोहित शर्मा ज्वाइन कर लेंगे इंडियन टीम को, लेकिन फर्स्ट और सेकंड टेस्ट मैच के बीच में एक वार्म अप गेम है जो 30 नवंबर को खेली जाएगी, और वो भी रोहित शर्मा खेलते देख सकते हैं. दिस इज द लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट. टू रिमाइंड यू व्यूअर्स, रोहित शर्मा is still in India. Recently he was blessed with a baby boy. He became a father for the second time. There were speculations whether Rohit will now travel to Perth and try and play the first test, but फिर से रिपोर्ट आई थी कि रोहित has informed BCCI that he wants to spend some more time with his family, with his newborn child, and that is the reason that he will stay back in India for a few more days. Then he'll fly to Australia and join the team. लेकिन ये बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन मार्क था कि कब ज्वाइन करेंगे, कौन सी सिटी में ज्वाइन करेंगे और कौन सा मैच खेलते देख सकते हैं वो. बट नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू द लेटेस्ट रिपोर्ट, इट इज बीइंग सेड दैट रोहित विल जॉइन द इंडियन टीम इन द सिटी ऑफ एडिलेड बिफोर द सेकेंड टेस्ट एंड इवन बिफोर द वार्म अप गेम. क्योंकि एज आई सेड, व्हेन यू ट्रैवल टू ऑस्ट्रेलिया, it's not like you can travel to Australia and play a game within 2 days. You need to go there, you need to get rid of the jet lag, you need to put your body clock on the basis of the Australian time zone. वो adapt करना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. And then as a professional, as a cricketer, you need to acclimatize. There's a reason that the entire Indian team has travelled to Australia in advance. They are playing intra-squad warm-up games. They have been batting for hours in the nets just to get acclimatized to the Australian conditions, to those pitches जहाँ पे इंडिया के कंपैरिजन में काफ़ी बाउंस होता है, काफ़ी फास्ट पिचेस होती हैं. तो बैटर्स के लिए वो acclimatize करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. And that is the reason that Rohit might travel before even the warm-up game which will be played between Prime Minister's 11 and India A. वो warm-up game रोहित खेल सकते हैं. उसके साथ साथ obviously he'll bat in the nets, and then he'll prepare himself for the second test match which will be played starting on 6th December in the city of Adelaide, and that will be a pink ball test. That will be a day and night test. तो जाते ही काफ़ी बड़ा चैलेंज रोहित शर्मा को मिलेगा. Obviously he'll have to lead the side. He is the captain of the Indian Test team. उनके एब्सेंस में जसप्रीत बुमराह लीड करेंगे इंडियन टीम को पहले टेस्ट के लिए, बट रोहित शर्मा के लिए अब बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है whenever he decides to travel to Australia. On whatever date, he'll need to get there, put his body clock, adapt his body clock according to the Australian time zone, get acclimatized to those conditions, those pitches, play that warm-up game, and be ready for the day and night pink ball test match against Australia. And Indian team would be hoping, rather Rohit himself would be hoping that India starts the series on a good note. अगर पर्थ में इंडिया जीती है तो एडिलेड में जाते हुए बहुत कॉन्फिडेंस होगा और रोहित भी बहुत ईजिली सीप इन कर जाएंगे टीम में. बट वील हैव टू वेट एंड सी व्हाट डज हैपन. एज ऑफ नाउ, the report says that Rohit Sharma will join the Indian team in the city of Adelaide before the second test and even before the warm-up game which will be played between Prime Minister's 11 and India A on 30th of November and 1st of December. It's a 2-day warm-up game.